Hi guys, you're watching the NX Avera Presents Fit with Jen. I'm your host and trainer Jennifer and welcome to our brand new 3-month COVID recovery program. ये simple to follow regimen specifically डिज़ाइन किया गया है उन लोगों के लिए जो कोरोना से ठीक होने के बाद भी ठीक नहीं है। Easy to follow, slow and control body movement से ये प्रोग्राम आपके स्टैमिना को वापस लाने में मदद करेगा। Breathing exercises will improve lung capacity, leaving you feeling stronger and better. Let's get started. So guys, रोज की तरह आज का वर्कआउट भी हम शुरू करेंगे कुछ इजी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स के साथ ताकि आपकी बॉडी प्रॉपर्ली वार्म अप हो सके। आज की हमारी फर्स्ट मूवमेंट है अल्टरनेट आर्म लिफ्ट्स। Try to keep your arms straight and back neutral as you perform this movement. And relax. Coming up next guys is cross chest ab twists. So go ahead and cross your hands onto your chest, keeping your back straight. Drop down on one side, repeat on the other side. And relax. So guys, coming up next is arm lifts to tricep taps. Go ahead, lift your arm straight up, bend at the elbow, tapping the back and come down. You can take a deep breath in as you lift up, breathe out as you bring your arms down. And relax. Coming up next guys is wrist rotations. Go ahead and stretch your arms out in front of you, slightly bent at the elbows, and make circles with your wrist. Change. And relax. Up next guys is a few neck movements starting with neck left to right. And relax. Up next guys is chin tucks. Go ahead and keep your shoulders and spine straight. Bring your chin forward, tuck it in. and relax. Up next, guys, head tilts. And relax. Up next, guys, is sitting marching chops. Go ahead, lift both your arms in the front. Lift alternate knee up to the chest. Up next, guys, is alternate heel taps. Hands on the side, lift your heel, keeping your knee open on the side. 8 repetitions on each side. And relax. आज की हमारी अगली एक्सरसाइज है डबल लेग साइकिलिंग. इसे हम करेंगे मैट के ऊपर ऑन योर एल्बोज. Balancing on the elbows. Keeping your knees straight and making big circles. Opposite. And relax. Finally, guys, toe pull-ins to extensions. Pull your toes in, down, in and down. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की warm up movements. I hope all of you are sufficiently warmed up. If not, you can always go ahead and repeat a few movements one more time. अब हम करेंगे आज के कुछ आसन. So guys, आज का हमारा पहला आसन है विपरीत वीरभद्र आसन, also known as reverse warrior. इसे हम करेंगे standing position में. Go ahead and stand comfortably, feet wide. Bringing your right toe out. Going down into a lunge. And leaning back on the opposite leg. Change your side, pointing your left toe out, bending the left knee into a lunge, and relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है दंडयामना भ्रमणासन, also known as the balancing table pose. इसे bird dog भी कहते हैं. इसे हम hold करेंगे about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Start on all fours. Extend your right hand and left leg straight out until they are parallel to the ground. Let's change. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है एक पैर सेतुबंद आसन, also known as the one leg bridge. इसे हम करेंगे in the supine position. Go ahead and lie down on your back. Legs are folded, feet flat on the ground, hands on the side. Lift your hip up to make a bridge, tucking your shoulders underneath. Lift one leg straight up and hold. Change. And relax. So guys, आज का हमारा अगला आसन है अष्टांग आसन, also known as the eight-limbed pose. इसे हम start करेंगे on your knees. Hands down, right underneath your shoulders. Relax your feet. Breathe in. Breathe out as you lower your chest down on. Breathe out as you lower your chest down onto the ground, keeping your hip up, and hold. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज के योगा आसन. अब हम करेंगे कुछ ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस. आज की हमारी फर्स्ट प्राणायाम एक्सरसाइज है चंद्रभेदन प्राणायाम, also known as the left nostril breathing. इसको करना बहुत ही सिंपल. So take your right hand thumb and block your right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. Blocking the left, out through the right. Again, in through the left, out through the right. In through the left, out through the right. Continue for 2 to 4 minutes. And relax. आज का हमारा अगला प्राणायाम है सूर्य भेदन प्राणायाम, also known as the right nostril breathing. It is the exact opposite of what we did before. So take your left hand and block your left nostril. Deep breath in through the right. out through the left, in through the right again, out through the left. Repeat for 2 to 4 minutes. And relax. So guys, ये थी हमारी आज की movements. I hope you enjoyed them and are not too tired. Consistency is the name of the game here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. So please take it easy and give your body a chance to heal. Do subscribe to the Dainik Savera channel for more cutting-edge fitness challenges. Happy healing.